let me go back. If we have if we every single time we want to make a sandwich, we have 2 pieces of bread, 3 pieces of lunch meat, and then 1 slice of cheese. But this is the ingredients we have. How we're gonna see how many sandwiches we make. So we make 3 sandwiches. And then in excess, we have 3 pieces of lunch meat and then 2 pieces of cheese. What prevented us from making more sandwiches? What prevented us from making more sandwiches?
We needed more bread.
We needed more bread. Absolutely. That was correct. So the bread was limiting us from making more sandwiches. Bread limiting. And then the lunch meat and the cheese we had in excess. So the bread was limiting us from making more. Next. So this is so for every, let's say, Lunchable. For every Lunchable, you need a sandwich, 2 cookies, and an orange. So that's gonna be your meal. But once we make our meal, this is the amount of stuff we have. It's saying how many meals are we going to make? So we make 8 meals, and this is our leftover, the 3 sandwiches and 2 oranges. What was preventing us from making more meals? So every meal has a sandwich, 2 cookies, and an orange.
The the oranges.
Whoa. Every packaged meal has 1 sandwich, 2 cookies, and 1 orange. So these are our meals. Every meal needs to have 1 sandwich, 2 cookies, 1 orange.
It needed more cookies.
More cookies. Why are y'all watching?
My brother.
So our limiting are the cookies. So the cookies are limiting us from making more meals. So the limiting is going to be the cookies, and then this is what we have excess of. Okay. Ricardo, where were you?
I was in the restroom.
I love how Ricardo is so.
Oh, Miss, we didn't want to know that.
I love how Ricardo just lets us know what's going on. Okay, we're gonna.
Eso más falta que ella qué hizo en el baño.
This is Ricardo. He doesn't care. So the limiting reactant is going to be the thing that prevents us from making more product. So kind of like if we have ingredients and we have a certain amount of ingredients and we don't have enough of that ingredient, we won't be able to make more stuff. That is what the limiting reactant is. So it's basically something that's going to prevent us from making more. So that's why I kept writing the word limiting. So the limiting reactant is going to be the thing that is completely consumed during the reaction. So once the limiting reactant is gone, there's no more of it. So it's going to be the first one that is going to run out. And then once it runs out, we will not be able to make any more product because we've run out of it. We can't get any more of it. But the excess reactant is going to be the one that does not get completely consumed. So that's the one that we have more of at the end when the reaction is done. So that was we go back. That was the sandwiches and the oranges, and it was the lunch meat and the cheese. So those were the things we had in excess. And keep going. So this is an example. Which one do you guys think? So we have, this is our formula. Which one do you guys think is the limiting reactant? So we're gonna use the hydrogens. Oh man, you guys already saw it. So we got hydrogens and then nitrogens, and then these are going to be the ammonias. Which ones are the limiting, or which one is preventing us from making more, and which one is going to be the one where we have too much of? Anyone? Which one is the one that's preventing us from making more, and then which one do we have a lot of? So these are the ones that are going.
Isn't it, Miss? Isn't
Yeah.
it the H2?
Yes. And then which one do we have more of?
N2.
Into. So notice how these were not bonded with anything. So those were the ones that were left over in the reaction. Okay. So what's going to happen is that they're going to ask you these questions, and it's basically the same that we've already done. They're going to be grams to grams questions. So they're going to give you the amount of grams for each reactant, and then they want you to figure out which one is going to be the limiting, and then which one is going to be the excess, and then how much product is going to come out. So they're saying how much of this is going to form in a reaction. This is so in the thing, it's saying how many, if 3.2 grams of aluminum reacts with 13.7 grams of hydrochloric acid, how many grams of H2 is going to form? So we got grams of aluminum, grams of HCl, and they want to know how many grams of H2 are going to come out. But the only way you can figure it out is if you know which one is going to be the limiting reactant, because the limiting is going to tell us how much is actually going to come out. So you're going to have to do this twice, but there's different ways to do it. What do you guys always put in the first box?
The given.
The
What
given.
is you?
So if I'm going to do the given, we have to.
There's given 2.202. Is that correct?
Our given is these two.
Yeah, the 3.2.
The 3.2 and the 13.7.
13, yeah.
And then grams of HCl. Okay. And then these are grams to grams questions. And I'm just gonna write this. Okay. So if this is a gram to gram conversion, I have to do given, molar mass, mole ratio, and then molar mass. And then depending on what comes out at the end, I will figure out which one's my limiting and then which one's my excess. Okay. So I got grams. What am I going to put down here?
Where, Miss?
The molar mass.
The molar mass. Oh, dang it. Oh, man. Okay. There. You said molar mass, but what am I going to put? Grams? Oh,
You didn't have to put grams.
Grams.
grams of what?
Grams divided by mole.
Grams divided by mole. And then the grams of aluminum is the number in the bottom, which is this. So these are our molar masses. Our mole ratio. do we get our mole ratio from?
The coefficients.
The coefficients. So I'm just going to give you, dang it. I'm going to give you what to put, but you have to figure out what numbers to put. So this is the mole ratio, but what numbers am I going to put?
You are gonna put
You're gonna
For
put
AO, would you put 2?
46.
Yes, for ALs too.
Oh,
And then 3, this is for H2.
oh 3 for
Three.
H2.
For 3.
And then we're doing molar mass because we're solving for grams of H2. So what would I put on top and then what would I put in the bottom?
Wouldn't you have to multiply and all that crap and then add?
Three.
Mm-mm. Once you get all the numbers, you can multiply. Oh yeah, but they already gave us the mass.
Oh, well, 2.02.
And then what would you put in the bottom?
The mole, which is 1. Yeah, that's right. It's always gonna be 1.
Yes. So whenever you see molar mass, it's always grams divided by mole, which equals grams divided by 1. Okay, so if I was to put this in a calculator, I'm just going to click on this. And I'm going to erase everything because it's already written. But I just wanted to see whether you knew what to do. If I was to put this in the calculator, it will be 3.2 times 3 times 2.02 divided by, oh, there's not enough space. It will be everything on top divided by everything in the bottom. So it will be 3.2 times 3 times 2.02 divided by 26.98, and then divide that entire thing by 2. Just in case you wanted to know. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Can you stop? I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what I did. Okay. But I'm just gonna give you guys the answer because. So the answer is 0.36.
That's what I got.
That's what you got? You being serious?
Yeah, I'm being serious. Like, I put it in the calculator.
Okay, so yes, it is 0.36. Okay, so the same thing, you're gonna do it again, but you're gonna do it for hydrochloric acid because we gotta figure out which one is going to be our limiting and then which one's gonna be the one that is gonna be the excess. So it's basically the same thing that we just did. So what do you guys think I'm going to put in the bottom box?
2.98.
What are we gonna put?
2.90. 26.98.
But that's a massive aluminum.
Oh wait, no. 36.46.
46, yeah.
36.
Right.
36.
Right, Carter, right.
And then at the top would be
Oh,
one mole. 1 mole of HCl.
What next?
And then it's gonna be 6 HCl,
Yeah, 6 HCl.
and then
Over.
and then 2.
Nope, wait. Is it? No, never mind. I was gonna say 3, but I was doubting myself.
No, it's right because we're solving for H2. We're solving for the same thing, but we want to figure out which one is going to make more and then which one is going to make less. So it will be the same thing, but you're going to multiply 13.7 times 3 times 2.02, divide the entire thing by 36, and then divide that by 6.
Miss, you're not what's it called? So you're not counting the 1 mole?
You don't have to count the 1 mole because every single time you multiply by 1 or divide by 1, it's the same number.
Is it 0.38? Mrs. is 0.38.
Let me check. Yeah, it's 0.38.
Damn, smartass.
What the heck?
Not even.
I don't know how she did it, but I don't know how she did it. So
I was just following when you told me to do it. You multiply all of those numbers. I was just following what you said.
So which one is going to be the limiting and then which one is going to be the excess? So one made 36 and the other one made 38.
What does that mean by limiting and excess? I forgot. I wasn't paying attention at the time.
Limiting is going to be the one that prevents us from making more. So prevents from making more.
Oh, it's the HCl.
Prevent us.
I don't understand none of this.
So is it the second one?
No, it's the H2.
The H.
Oh,
Yes?
I
So
don't
is
understand
H2.
none of that.
What do you mean?
Nothing.
None of it?
Not
Bruh.
really.
So the one that's gonna be the limiting one is going to be aluminum. Because once we run out of aluminum, we can't make any more. And it's the one that makes less. So the one that makes less is going to be the limiting reactant. So it's gonna be aluminum.
So
I
the
don't really understand that part. I thought it was HCl.
I think that's the X's, isn't it?
Yeah, the HCl is going to be the excess.
Smartass.
Smart self.
And he said that, Miss, I'm not smart no more. I used to be smart, but not no more.
Nah, for real.
It's because I'm making a comeback, that's why.
Oh, the comeback kid. Okay. The reactant. The reactant that limits the amount of product being produced in the chemical reaction. The limiting reactant runs out, the reaction will stop and no more product will be formed. So how can I explain this differently? I'm trying to find a way to explain it. So why did you think it was HCl?
Bro, I don't know. Just because it looks more, that's why.
Yeah, but if it has more, wouldn't it the excess because it makes more.
I thought
Right.
it said, but I could have swear you said it prevent that limiting is preventing more.
Yeah, the limiting is the one that prevents from making more. So if this one has less, and this one has more,
It's
the
basically
limiting reactant is
opposite.
going to not let us make more of the product, which
So it's the opposite.
Yeah.
No pues, well.
Hijo el perro y el gato. No, I'm just playing.
and because aluminum is going to be our limiting reactant, how many grams of H2 are actually going to be made? It's kind of like our pieces of bread. Like we ran out of pieces of bread and we can't make any more sandwiches. So how many sandwiches are actually being made? How much are we?
Wait, are you supposed to add them up together?
Mm-mm. Nope. How much
So
H2
so
are
it's
we
gonna
actually?
be.
Be honest,
0.36?
Yeah,
So it's gonna,
0.36.
Miss, to be honest, I don't understand nothing.
I thought it was
I don't even
0.38.
understand what you're even talking about. Like, I'm literally lost. I'm on La La Land.
0.
She said I'm in La La Land.
I am in La La Land. I don't
What
know.
are you not understanding?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No.
Did you do the homework from last week?
Miss, I just guessed on the last question, so I didn't think it was
Yeah.
right. If I'm being honest.
If y'all
Yes, I
being
guessed.
Ricardo's trying to get some hands from Layla.
Nah, for real.
Wait, what?
Okay, we'll do this again.
Nah, I'm just playing. I don't got no beef for nobody.
Me either, unless they look for me.
Okay.
Okay, so then we're gonna do another.
Oh, God, he said.
So this is basically based on what we did the other time.
Yeah, it's a gram to grams problem.
Well, miss, I tried to do it, but I didn't understand it, to be honest.
Jocelyn, you know what you should have done? Went to tutoring on Wednesday. She helps us out.
I was helping my
Jocelyn, you're smart. Come on, how can you say that?
Let me be done.
Yeah, for real though, you was smart.
I'm not smart. The thing is that my mom is pregnant and she has gripa, and
What does that have to do with anything?
I couldn't go to
Boy,
Zoom.
I am the most smart.
I couldn't go to Zoom. I was helping my mom. She's sick. Whenever she's sick, I have to help her. But
Well,
yeah,
she does have a point.
exactly. Thank you.
Yeah, for real. You do got a point.
Mom's pregnant. I'm gonna let her make my little brother die. No.
I am tired.
Who isn't?
Okay, guys, we're gonna do
I want to
this.
sleep at 3.
Okay, that's something different.
Well, it's because I got into it with somebody.
Okay.
What you mean?
Miss, where are you getting those numbers from? That is my question.
Oh, that's probably why Jocelyn's confused.
Yeah,
She's
maybe
trying
that's
to
why she's
explain.
confused.
Okay, so these two we got it from.
I know H2. It's 2.02 grams.
Yeah, grams divided by mole.
Exactly. And I know, where did 8.0 grams? Oh, from N2.
It came from the N2. Oh,
Yeah.
those are the given.
Given.
Yeah.
Ah, I get it now.
The given is what it already gives you already, like what it already says in the problem.
No, it does.
Well, I know that. I ain't that dumb.
Exactly. He said, whatever is the given. Well, yeah, it's not like we're going to have to look for it. Let me go to the dictionary and look for it. It's not there.
Oh wait. Oh dang it.
Dang. He's just trying to help you out.
Well,
Why,
that's,
Jocelyn? Why you be like that?
I'll be like that every day. I do have an attitude. I have a short
We can
temper.
tell.
I do have an attitude.
Okay, so we're solving for grams of ammonia, and we're given 2.1 and 8.0 grams from the question, and these are going to be our molar masses.
Wait, did you say ammonia?
Ammonia.
Oh, like ammonia. What is that?
Ammonia, like immune, right?
No, ammonia like NH3.
What the heck?
Okay, let's go.
And she's recording this too.
Okay, so what are going to be our two givens?
Our two givens is 2.1,
8.0. Oh yeah. You see? I don't know.
2.1 and 8.0.
Bro, yeah.
You got one of them, right?
Yeah. The top ones are the given ones. I understand that part.
Right. Entonces ¿qué no entiendes?
Lo demás.
Whoa.
Lo demás. No entiendo.
Miss, I ate too much. My stomach hurt.
Oh, wait.
Hace su face. I'm gonna go mimis. Go mimis.
What'd you eat?
McDonald's.
No wonder. Okay, so in the first boxes, we put the molar mass. Molar mass of H2. So what are we going to put in the bottom?
2.1 and 2.02. Is that right?
So 2.1 is our given. So we write.
Yeah. Hold up.
Oh, wait.
So
2.02.
So it'd be 2.02 would be at the bottom.
Yes.
One more.
And at the top will be 1 mole.
And then on the other side is 3 moles. Right?
yes. And
on
then the
bottom,
bottom is,
Bravo, Jocelyn.
28.02.
and then the bottom is
3 moles. H2.
And we're solving for this. So we will put 2 moles of that.
Oh, me, se kill me.
In the last
Oh.
box,
You're gonna make me sleepy.
Sorry.
You're gonna make me not want to go to the mall.
so what are we
It
going?
don't.
yeah, please concentrate.
Ay, perdón.
So what are we going to put in the last box?
28 point.
17.04 would be at the bottom.
No,
Or no, at the top.
and then we will put 1 mole at the bottom because it's molar mass.
So what do we do with the 28.02?
That's the mass of N2. We don't use it. We use it on the other question.
Right.
Oh, my
So,
stomach hurts.
That's the bottom part, right?
Yes, that's the bottom part of this one.
Okay.
So now you do is one. Now you do 2.1 times 2 times
And then 1
17.04.
more for on top.
I'm so confused. What did y'all just say?
What's going on now?
It's because we're all talking at the same time.
Pues mínimo que la diferentes.
We're supposed to be working on one problem each.
hablando
We
en
haven't even
Chinese,
finished
no
number
habla-
1.
Somos como guacamayos.
Okay, guys, solve number 1 then. What's the answer to number 1?
Hold on, let me do it.
I don't even know what we're multiplying.
Everything on top.
2.1 times 2.1 times. Oh my gosh, Miss, can you tell me the numbers?
It's
2.1 times
2.1.
34.8.
2.1 times 1 times 2 times 17.04.
What?
Okay, that equals 71.56.8. Okay, now what's the bottom?
You got
Wait,
it.
let me check if Jocelyn understands. So we're multiplying all of these numbers.
Oh, I forgot to do the 2. My bad. The
And
2.
divide by the numbers in the bottom. So it'll be divided.
Like you divide 2.02 and then whatever you get, you divide it by 3, and then whatever you get, you divide it by 1.
Now you see right there when you.
It's 11.8. The answer is 11.8. If I'm not mistaken.
Let me check if the answer's right.
You know what? I give up.
No.
You got it.
It's not that hard, Jocelyn.
Come
Oh, I
on.
got it right.
This simple stuff.
For y'all.
Yo también dijo lo mismo when I didn't know.
Dude, y'all are smart. Y'all talking to a dumb person.
Oh my goodness.
Bro, I am the one who
You're
said I
not
was
even
dumb.
dumb.
If I wasn't dumb, then why I don't?
The only part that I struggle with, Miss, I'm not gonna lie, is kind of by setting them up. That's what I struggle with sometimes.
That.
I mix them up.
That's my thing. That's what I meant to say.
Okay, so when you start with grams, you have to then go to molar.
Miss, voy a necesitar una copia where you put grams. You're gonna have to do this, y luego la otra way. I don't know.
Mira,
So the bottom for that one is 28.02.
Yeah.
And then 1 mole.
Yeah.
Okay, I know that part.
en el primero pones molar mass, en el segundo mole ratio, y en el tercero molar mass again.
Okay, I understand the part.
Oh, que la chica.
Oh, Miss, you heard that?
Oh, man.
No, I didn't hear that. What am I?
That.
Okay, so now
Oh my
because I
God.
have N2 on top, I have to put it in the bottom, but we're doing mole ratio.
So it would be 1.
1, yeah. And then we're solving for NH3, so what am I going to put on the top?
2.
2.
Wait, I think your thing is frozen.
No.
Oh, wait, no,
No,
it's because you haven't
no, it's
wrote on
good.
it. I'm dumb.
It's good.
I think it doesn't want to work.
It's because you haven't wrote on it. I'm dumb.
You're not dumb, because if you were dumb, you couldn't understand this. I'm dumb one because I should understand that if I was smart.
Okay. And then because NH3.
Wait, I'm confused. Real quick. It's the top one. The top one is I'm confused. Why'd you put... What? Never mind. Let me shut up. Next.
For this.
Oh, yeah. Okay, go.
17.04.
Just one
I got you.
question.
And then what do you think we're going to put in the bottom if we have NH3 on top?
2. No, wait. No. 17.04. And the bottom is 1 mole.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Correcto.
Put it in the calculator.
Oh my gosh. Okay, tell me the numbers, miss. It's because I'm on my phone.
It's 8.0 times 1 times 2 times
17.4.
Whoa. 74 point what?
17.4 or 17.04. Yeah.
Ricardo, you're gonna calculate this because I lost track.
Oh, okay, fine.
Calculate it.
Okay, but it's 8 times 1 times 2 divided by 17.04 divided by 28.02.
Oh, wait. 8.0 times
1.
2. Because I'm skipping the 1 times 2 times what?
Wait, you said I was going to calculate.
Okay, go ahead, Ricardo. My bad.
There's two smarties competing each other.
Like Ricardo was just like, okay, bye.
Oh wait,
That's
decimals.
not Ricardo, man.
Ricardo is on a mission.
He is trying to win something because I know he's not gonna win nothing.
On a mission.
Wait, so is the answer 9.73?
Say wait. I know I'm slow, right? Times
You mean that's
My
me?
bad.
2
I'm the slow one.
times 17.04. 17.
Dang, you're barely at the top.
It just divide the 28.02. Don't divide by the ones because it's just one.
Oh my god.
So I don't put the 1. I don't include it.
You don't have
No.
to. It's just one.
Okay.
No, because if you multiply it by, okay, let's say
Oh god.
17.04 times 1 is
Ricardo said, oh god.
It's one.
I messed up.
Congratulations.
Miss, am I right? Is it 9.73?
It's
probably wrong.
9.7. I got 9.71, but it's 9.7.
Aw, fudge.
So which
Got
one
it wrong.
is going to be the limiting, and then which one is going to be the excess? We have this one and this one.
Miss, guess what they did?
The excess will be 11.8, and then the limiting will be 9.7.
So N2 is going to be the limiting, and H2 is going to be the excess. What were you saying, Jocelyn?
Guess what they gave me for the goodie bag that you send the email, whatever.
What'd they give you?
They gave me a freaking dolphin.
A what?
A dolphin binder.
A binder?
A dolphin binder.
That's what you got, student of the month.
A what?
A dolphin binder.
Dolphin? Like a like a dolphin?
A dolphin, the one that lives under the sea.
Exactly, a dolphin.
Yeah.
Binder.
Yeah.
That's it?
No.
Weren't they supposed to give you like a backpack or something?
Yeah. It was a plastic one. I'm gonna use it whenever I go to the pool.
Okay. And then how much grams of
pop
NH3
socket.
was actually produced?
Look, miss, I got a pop socket.
Hot topic.
A pop socket.
Oh, a pop socket.
Did you say hot pocket?
No, I thought you said hot pocket.
I think he's hungry.
Miss, you hungry.
So how many grams of NH3 will actually be produced?
Oh, I don't know.
If N2 is the limiting reactant.
Miss, you know what I noticed? Ricardo's not even here no more. He left.
9.7 grams.
Oh, don't worry. He's here. He just muted. Hold on, miss.
No, he's not here.
He's gone.
He got
He's
tired of us. He said,
see
F that.
on the Zoom. It says Pedro.
No, Ricardo.
Ricardo.
Someone else.
Gone.
Ricardo left.
Yeah, he's gone.
He said, bye.
He's trying to do what Lay does.
He's done. He's done.
Yes, I'm gonna make a call real quick. Hold up.
Okay, so keep it. Okay. So the only thing that the homework doesn't have is that I wonder where Ricardo went. Okay, so I'm gonna post this on Google Classroom. And this is an example of how to do the homework. So if you don't know how to do it. So it says, it's basically the same thing that we just did, but in the first one, they figure out what they do is they figure out which one is the limiting reactant first, and then they actually calculate it. So you don't have to do grams to grams twice.
Miss, what happens if we fail the DOL thing?
It's fine. It doesn't really. So for step number 3, it says which one is the limiting reactant, and it says calculate using mole ratios. So what they did was they used, so this was given, Ricardo's back.
Ricardo's back. Don't think until he big man.
I'm gonna go back.
Miss, where are we?
We are looking at an example.
Miss, I'm sorry.
What happened?
I when I was solving the other problem, I accidentally shut down my computer.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go to the homework. But I'll post that one. Unless that's the wrong one that I was looking at. Okay, so in number 2, it says they give you moles and they want to figure out which reactant is going to be used up first, which is going to be the limiting one. So what you're going to do is you're going to use a mole ratio. And then you can solve for whichever one you want to do. So for example, I'm going to start with 1.72 of zinc sulfide. And then I'm going to do a mole ratio. How many moles of zinc sulfide do I have in the formula?
2? No, 1. What the heck is that noise?
I know, bro. I was like, what?
Right, someone's walking on heels.
You guys
Oh my
got
god, stomach hurts.
the moles from?
That's what you get for eating McDonald's.
Shut up. I had no choice.
Don't worry, I always get the
Don't judge her. Don't make fun of her.
Yeah, don't judge me.
I always get the 2 burgers with my fries and my large drink.
Okay.
Miss, are we supposed to be doing this?
If you want, it is part of the homework.
Okay. I can't do it. My laptop is dead, so I'm gonna just take a picture. Anna, just go to Clever and then go on my bed. You're off of me. Just
Miss, is this the DOL or is it the homework?
The homework.
it's the homework. Hey Ricardo, send me answers. I'm just saying, don't give me the answers.
So, do you guys know where I got these numbers from? The 2 and the 3?
I know where you got the 2 Z and S from. Wait, what the heck? What the heck is that noise?
What noise?
Like people stepping or something.
Oh, okay. I get it. It's my sister. She's with tacones.
Oh. Oh, okay. So you got the
So y'all
two
can hear my
from
background, right?
yeah. Okay, you got the 2 Z and O from the coefficient.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got the 3 mole 02 from the coefficient again. And then the other side, you got it from the coefficients. Again.
Yeah. So what you're gonna do is they're not asking for grams, so you guys are just gonna do a mole ratio and then figure out which one is.
So now you have to multiply and then divide
Yeah.
again.
Yep. And this one gave
So
me.
go to Clever and then go to School City. And then when you go to School City, go to Telpass writing number 2. Copy and paste it from your Google document. And then I'm off mute. Okay.
Bruh.
Okay, so these are the answers. Which one is the limiting one?
The number. Wait, what?
The limiting. Wait, what'd you say? Which one is what?
Which
The
one is
limit-
the limiting one?
A ver, let me see.
Oh, so okay. I was like, where's
The
the
limiting
two
one
answers?
is the 1.74.
1.74. So zinc sulfide is going to be the limiting reactant.
And then 3.4 is the what's it called?
The excess.
Andalesa.
Because there is.
Someone's getting chased.
It's over here where I live. Something's happening.
Wait, miss, why is it black? Oh.
Oh God.
My phone was
Some
tripping.
bad-
Did you get it, Anna? Oh.
So you guys can choose 4 questions that you guys want to do. I already gave you one. That was number 2. Number 1 is going to be the same that we did in the home on the PowerPoint. Number 3A is the same as number 2. B.
Whoa. What'd you say? What is the same?
So
Oh, miss.
I'm gonna use Google for that.
Can we work them out together?
no, because
Yeah, since there's only 3 of us, can we work on them together? There's only 3 people.
there's 15 people in here.
Okay, but the others aren't paying attention.
They're not even answering.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm answering, but I don't even understand what we're doing.
I said the other people, Jocelyn.
I know, but what I'm saying from my part that
Yeah, people, reply, bro.
No, whoa.